Are you understanding anything?
Yeah.
I'm not getting anything. You know what? Why don't we tell Agnes to do for us this test? She doesn't have tuition, not even money for eating at campus. Maybe if we give her some little money, she can do for us. By the way, did you do your coursework?
Yeah, I'm finished.
Lucky. I'm going to tell Agnes to do everything for me. I have money. She's poor. I'll just pay. I won't stress myself. Wow. I'm not reading.
Hey mwana, omanye kiriwo?
Kiki?
Mwana Lodge alemedde ku demo wange Agi. Lwaki amulemerako nnyo kiki?
Era Lodge nawe ali mu demo.
Erinnya Agi terimuva mu kamwa ke. Buli ssaawa alemedde ku demo wange Agi. Kawaani kikaliko?
Kalojja akefudde akantu wano. Kalojja buli muntu akaba Lodge. Naye kati omanyi kye tuba tukola? Tugende tukalumbe kati tukawoninge.
Omanyi obuzibu obuliwo?
Alina
bakwano ba Agi kati. Mbadde nga.
Ate bakwano ba Agi kye kinaawe. Okitegeera? Mwana kati tukawemu busekendi tugende tukablasting naawe.
Omulenzi oyo kyanjagaza ajja kifuna. Kitegeera?
I'm Brandon.
Brandon?
Yeah. And all along I've been seeing you. And njagala nzije nkugambe kikyempulira gy'oli ku mutima. Naye I'm sorry, amanyi abawala abalungi si bangu baku approaching. You know you're a beautiful girl.
Thank you.
You're so cute.
Thank you.
Ozo mu approaching na blasting. Tukitegeera. Ate oyinza omu approaching nga naye olusi yakwagala dda naye nga atya kugamba so connection ebeerawo for the first sight.
And here I am.
Ya naye mbali mpita itawali wansi nenkulengera nengamba tuufu ono beautiful queen kyona kyekiri olwaleero kangende mugambe kyempulira ekiba kibe oba ngoba oba nzikiriza mukama yanasalawo oba oli awo sanga naye yanneegomba dda nenga bulijjo atya buti okujja nangamba nti Brandon this and this but just know I've been in love with you since you entered this campus but sikugambanga.
Mr. Brandon,
ebigambo
byo tebibadde bibi.
Thank you.
Nekiteeso kyo si kibi but I don't think I can accept that because I can't make a fool of myself to be in love with you just because you've been courting my friend, my one and only friend.
Wait, like courting which friend?
I know very well that you've been courting Agnes.
Courting who?
Agnes. Kachoga Mantoman.
You mean your friend?
Of course, my friend.
Fine. I know Agnes. And omanyi abantu balemererwa okwawula bigambo bibiri. Girlfriend and girl lover. So Agnes she's my girlfriend, not my girl lover. Mukwano gwange nnyo era mwagala nnyo. But I've never conned her. I've never.
You're right, but njagala ontegeere bulungi. Sinnagamba ko nti mweyagala. You've been courting her just because she ignored you. Togera kikozesa ng'omukisa atokwana nze mukwano gwe ennyo nfanfe nze nkikirize tekisoboka.
Ekyamazima yes mukwano ate sina mulala gwe nkwana. Let me tell you, nina omutima gumu ate omutima gwange si munene nnyo gusobola kujjamu bantu babiri. Bwe mansazeewo nti nteekemu gwe mba nsobola okuteekamu gwa tegusobola kufitinga muntu mulala.
Agnes?
Nothing is right on my side.
And what's the problem?
Just from the notes board. The examination timetable is out.
And what's up with the timetable? I think she'd just be happy that the timetable is out.
Of course. And I think this time you would be rejoicing. Because very soon, the semester is going to be ending.
Rejoicing?
Yes.
But you know what it means by the timetable being out? And I haven't paid tuition.
Oh, sorry.
But I thought your mom had paid something.
Aggie, I think you should concentrate on your books. You'll make it, don't worry.
But we all know the school policy. No tuition, no exams.
Don't worry, Agnes. We shall always be praying for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You know what?
What?
I don't like the way Agnes is behaving nowadays.
Really? What do you mean about that?
She has conflict with Rachel and company.
Conflicts? About what?
Boys,
Boys?
especially that guy, Brandon.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Very sure.
I doubt. Because what I know about Agnes, that girl is so focused.
And I wonder, because she's forgetting that her parents are very poor and are struggling to get tuition for her.
I know about that, but...
Anyway,
Yeah.
I won't argue with you, but time will tell.
Mwana we,
Wanjita.
nkitegedde bulungi nti bakugobye. Amazima ennaku zino ndi mwavu atalina wadde ekikumi. Nteeberezaamu oyinza okujja ssente nga sirabawo. Naye ngenda kutunda ku mbizi zino ntundiko emu. Mu nnaku ngezi ojja kuba ng'ozzeeyo ng'oli ku ssomero. Naye obuzibu bwe buli ate n'abazigula nabo tebalabika. Oba ntwale eno wali abookya. Naye nga gwe bamugumu gumiikiza ennaku nnya nja kuba maze okufuna ssente ng'oddayo ku ssomero. Saagala ofiirwe kuba eno etaamu ye esoboka mu siniya wano.
Kale taata.
Okitegedde?
Ye taata.
Bamugumiikiriza. Agnes.
Sipatani taata.
Bulungi. Oli otya?
Je ndi taata naye siri bulungi.
Buzibu ki?
Taata timetable yafulumye ey'ebibuuzo.
Ate bwefuluma onyiikaala bunyiikaazi bw'otyo?
Taata tetunasasula ssente.
Mutuufu mwana wange nange pulaani empeddeku. Amazima gali nti sirina we nnyinza kujja wadde siringi ekikumi. Essaawa eno sirina we nnyinza kwewola wadde. Naye nkusuubiza nti bamugumu nja kuyiiya. Kyonna kye kiri nja kunoonya wenza ssente oleme kufiirwa omwaka guno ogusembayo.
Kale taata.
Guba mugumu.
Kale taata.
Neesiga mwana wange.
Kaneesigame ku gwe naye era nkusuubiza ekintu kimu nti wenna amaliriza omwaka gwange ogusembayo nze ngenda okukwata ku muto wange oyo.
Mwana wange ebyo byenjagala byemu ebibala byenjagala osobole okulabiri okukwata ku bato bo nange mbe nga mpewukako. Naye nga gwe nkusuubiza nti guma guno omwaka ojja kukola ebibuuzo tukimalirize. Mwana wange.
Wanjita.
Kaakati obuzibu buzze.
Ate buzibu ki taata?
Kubanga ono mukulu wo Agnes bamugobye guno gwe mwaka gwo ogusembayo. Ogenda kulindamu weeks 2. Kati tulina okusooka tusasule ssente z'ono mu mbizi eri gye twali tugenda okutunda.
Naye kulwaki taata?
Ati kati ono bamugobye kati ate bwe naasooka gwe mpeereyo gwe ate kati ono aleme kukola bibuuzo.
Naye taata nze yasoose.
Nkugambye kikakkana ngenda kunoonya ssente wonna we naazijja naye ono yasooka aligenda akola ebibuuzo ali mu mwaka gwe ogusembayo sente ezikutte nga bwenziwaayo nga naawe oziraba kati nyina okusasula guno omwaka akola ebibuuzo kati gwe nyamba ogumiikiza kisezi gwe gumiikiriza tewali tabu sisobola kukuyiwayo tulemye kufiirwa sente zize mbadde muteekamu kakkana mutabani baira mugumu ngenda kufunira sente
Betty nsonga kyekumpisiza obudde onnoonya
obudde njagala ojje tukube ku kiboozi ankumiisinga
gongo nze gwosibula buli lunaku kati nno
bw'obadde tomiisinga
nze okumiisinga gwe gwensiba ndaba buli lunaku
omanya ekikumpisiza
kiki
ono omukazi principal
w'essomero olina olugambo teri atalina lugambo lwa principal
banempulira ntamye omanye omuntu okujja n'akutama andabikiranga wayaze zitakwatagana bulungi kituufu
nedda zikwatagana bagenda omulonda nga ye mukulembeze w'essomero
nagwe towulira byayogera
era bamulonda mu bangi okumuleeta waneno tukulembera
abagamba yofina
Hello, fellow students. Just a reminder to everyone. Remember, the lecturer emphasized that the pass mark was increased from 50 to 60. So I just want to encourage everyone to read so hard so that we can score above the new pass mark. Good luck.
Is the presence of Betty and Rogers here? No. If they come, tell them that they look for me outside. I have their message. Are we together?
Silence, guys. This is not a laughing matter. It's not the language that matters, but the content of the speech.
If it's not the language that matters, then why can't you write your next examination in Lutolo? Look what
You write in Lutolo. Ekintu kyayaga abolizolebe ekintu kyayanga abolizolebe ekintu kyayanga abolizo.
Sweetheart.
Yes, love.
You know the reason as to why I called you here? I wanted to tell you something.
What's that?
You know, I love you so much.
And I love you too.
I want to put our love on the next level.
Really? How?
Like, I don't want to wake up in the morning and not seeing you anymore.
That won't happen. I promise.
Sure.
Yes. Promise. I love you, honey. I love you so much that I can't live without you. Never think of leaving me. Okay?
I want. You know, I want to be looking at these eyes, or eyes. I want to be looking at these succulent lips. And whenever I want to kiss you, I want to start from here. And here.
What of you?
No. I don't want that. I want to do like... Yeah. Yeah.
yaddala ndenzeko oba oyinayo omulala.
Sinakunnyonnyola buli lwe nzija wano simu yange esiiba wano okumala olunaku lulamba. Wali olabyeyo kagikubako? Wali omulabyeko?
Nze sikwesiga.
Wesebo. Guza okola ki wano?
Biyambadde ndina byempitiramu omukyalo na bya bizinesi.
Wesebo. Munyumya biki? Wesebo. We. Wesebo.
Kakana.
Wesebo.
Badde nina byemunyumya.
Wesebo. 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 Wesebo.
Mawugaye yampeleza ka video n'okalabako. Gaiki. Wakakana bukakanye mukulabi. Muligo wangamba. Kakana. Foyaka. Sokona. Mwana bwe. Nuya bukusindikira bujjawo. Wera babulabi. Bulabi. Kino kika. Sokola. Oba kikola batya?
You girl, what are you doing? Why are you seeing these stupid videos?
Ninawo tweke twesonyi wetulabe bulabi kola ekyakuleeta.
You wait. When you grow, you finish your degree, you get married, you do.
Ofaji.
In the bed, you do. In the top of dining, you do. In the car, you do. In the bush, you do. Everywhere you go, you do. Revise your book. This is school. No doing.
Wene mufeeko. Atumalira n'obudde. Singa sanzo tulaba kali akakali. Yali gambye kyo muleke naawe ro mumanyi. Yefunda byatali.
Good evening, class.
Good evening, sir.
Are you all fine?
Yes, sir.
I can see a very brilliant class. So, last lecture we talked about marketing, advertisement, advertising, qualities of a good advertisement. And we said that advertisement is a marketing strategy whereby we use public media to pass persuasive or informative notice or announcements to attract buyers. But we also said that a good advertisement should have qualities. And one of them we said it should be very attractive. I want the class to inform me. What else did we talk about a good advertisement? My dear Agnes.
It should be precise.
It should be precise. Yes. Very good. Yes, Francis.
Loud and clear.
Loud and clear, is he correct?
Yes.
Okay, I'm having the no's and the yes. But it's not very correct, though you've had a good trial, because some advertisements are written information. Are we together?
Yes.
Vale. Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you with us?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Can you give us a correct answer?
Their migration was caused by mosquito bites. Ensiri z'abaluma ne basembuka lusi.
Attention, class. Is her answer connected to what we are learning today?
No.
Viola, my dear, you should pay attention to your academics. We are in a marketing class. You are giving us history. The two are not connected. However, because you've been a very well-behaved girl, I request you to go back and read your books. Probably you have some troubles, but I think you can overcome them. If you have any issues, please, we can help. Now, class, we have got one thing that is on the agenda, and those are exams. And remember, the expectations are high. Are we together?
Yes.
So, next week, everybody should come when they've read. We have exams.
Agnes, why are you sleeping at this time when other people are enjoying their break?
I have no money.
What? No, that is your problem.
How?
I told you we can be in a simple relationship so that we can. And I can help you financially. Now let me tell you this. Do you know my dad has the biggest company in the coffee industry? My dad has 3 Mercedes-Benz 2016. Do you know that? My life is so good. As in, I just want you to enjoy your life too.
Seriously, if you want me to change, because you want to feed me, I can't. I can't. I've been here for the past 1.5 years. And I know someday God will see me through.
Let me leave you. You're stupid. And you will not die, I'm telling you.
Okay. Agnes. Agnes? Hi, Agnes. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, but you don't look to be okay. Are you really fine?
I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
Oh, sorry. But for me, I have love. I have eats. And that's why I always think about you, you know. I love you so much. So with these eats, I think you're going to be fine. Right? So,
Sorry. I can't afford your eats. Your love.
What do you mean you can't afford my love?
They always come with strings attached. One time you told me, I give you something, you give me everything.
Okay. Agnes, me giving you something and you give me like something, what's wrong with that? I think it's okay.
I can't. I can't.
Agnes, I love you very much. And I think I've been telling you this for a very long time. I don't know why you don't see the light.
You know what? Just take your eats.
No. Oh, look, as I told you before, I have love, I have eats, I have money. You know, I'm self-contained. I have everything. So, rejecting me, I don't think it's a good idea.
Just take your eats, your money, off my table and disappear.
Fine. You know, I don't want to hurt you. And I think you reject him. But remember, chance comes once. Don't expect any other chance if you lose this. And by the way, I was somehow hungry too. And keep rejecting me, but I'm sure you're gonna look for me. Okay? Nice day.
Chamazima Shira. I love you. Obulamu bwange ebirowoozo byange byonna bitambulira mu ggwe.
Naina.
Yeah. Era okuva wenasinkana wano ku campus ekyamazima omutima gwange n'ebirowoozo byonna wabyetika.
Ekyo nkimanyi era naawe okimanyi nti gwe omusajja gwensinga okwagala.
Oyinza okugamba nze gw'osinga okwagala ye singa okyogera kinsanyusa ne kubanga kiri ku face yo naye mutima gwo nga tekirimu.
Era okiraba bulabi. Francis, I love you.
Are you sure?
Kati oyagala nkole ki okulaga nti nkwagala?
Kyamazima kye mbadde nsaba kuba walisazewo ne tubeeranga ffembi after campus tutandika obulamu.
Actually, yes, tuludde nga tuli mu mukwano era kituufu kyoyogedde naye oba lwaki tompaayo sometime nenkirowoozaako.
Nalikuwa the time naye nsuubira amaaso mangi nnyo agakulindiridde ate buli omu akutunuulira guys obamanyi naawe.
Era naawe okimanyi nkwagala. Anyway, kale I will do that for you.
Thank you.
Because olwokuba nti nkwagala. Yes.